that will really plump up and glow up your face. So these are DIY. Hello everybody, welcome back to Zevaulia with me, Zeva. How has your 2020 been so far? It's been a while in, and I'm hoping that you've been prepping things up for the whole year. There's so many months ahead of us, hopefully, if the world still exists.
This particular epidemic may be about to become a global epidemic. Substantial, draconian measures limiting population mobility that should be taken sooner rather than later.
Of course it will still exist. And I'm sure that each and every one of you have your own missions and visions to achieve this year, or maybe the type that goes with the flow, play by ear, whatever method you want to implement this year. What's for sure is that we all need to wind down once in a while, and this is where I will step in. So put at bay all your activities and your plans for a while, because I'm going to share with you 4 nourishing and moisturizing recipes that you can make at home that will really plump up and glow up your face. So these are DIY facial masks. If you haven't noticed already, I just love making natural based facial masks because it really does give me a boost for the next day or for the day, depending on when I make them or when I use them. But for this one that I'm about to share with you, it is recommended that you make it in the evening for you to use overnight until the next day in the morning where you rinse it off. Or you could also just use it before you go to bed. So before bedtime you make it, and then you wash your face, then you go to sleep and have your beauty sleep. These masks are really nourishing and really moisturizing, and it will be really great to try, especially if you live in areas across the globe where it's currently winter. But even though if you don't have the winter season, for example, where I live, we don't have winter, we don't have autumn, it's not a 4-season country, but still I use this to moisturize my face because I have combination skin now, a bit oily, a bit dry, and it just really makes my face more radiant and more youthful looking, hopefully. Because I'm not getting any younger, Anyway, enough of the chatter, and let's get started making these scrumptious DIY facial masks that you can use before bedtime or overnight.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid.